We recently built this hairpin leg dining table and it came out really good, but we didn't have chairs for it. I bought chairs. So I did some shopping online, read a lot of suggestions that you guys left in the comments. A few people suggested this chair. I liked it, it works with the table, so we picked some up. So I thought it'd be fun to assemble these chairs with you guys. And I know it's probably hard to believe that there's 4 chairs. 4 dining chairs in that box. But they say there are, so let's check it out. Okay, that's interesting so far. Packed in there pretty neatly, let's check them out. So let's check out the chair itself. The plastic shell, I know, we try to avoid plastic in the home, but sometimes plastic's okay. This is one of those situations where we felt that plastic is okay because not only does it look good in the house, but we've had a lot of bad experiences with wood chairs. They always seem to loosen up and fall apart on us. This is cool, it's really thick, really solid, has some threaded inserts in the bottom. This chair comes in different colors. We chose white, of course. Cool. We got some cool beech wood legs. So it comes with this metal framework, and this is what's going to give support and strength to the legs and the seat base. So I'll get one assembled and then we'll talk about it. There it is, all done. That was actually a really easy assembly, and so far it looks good. It's comfortable.
Good.
I can see dirt right here, like where I was touching it, so I feel like this white will get dirty easy. The back has some flex in it, which is actually kind of comfortable. And it feels really solid. You want to try it out, Ash? So the first chair is assembled. Let me tell you what I think. It's really awesome. It's actually very stable, very strong, and it looks really good with the table because this birch is kind of similar to this kind of red tone. So we got the wood to wood, we got the black to black, and then of course the white goes with everything. So a few people suggested this chair in our comments. I honestly wasn't really considering this chair. I really wasn't. So after you guys suggested it, I looked at it again and I said, you know what, maybe that would work, that would flow very well with everything. So I got looking online, and the first thing I noticed is that a lot of these chairs were made in China. And we just didn't want to buy made in China whenever possible. There's some good products coming out of China, but when we can buy from other countries, we try to. So after looking around, I actually found this, which is made in Turkey. So I thought that was really cool. You don't see products made in Turkey. And what really set this one apart, and you can tell the difference, is this steel frame. I want you guys to look carefully at the listings. If you go on Amazon or wherever you shop around, you'll see that all these chairs that look like this, you can see the hardware on the outside of the leg. What they do is they take these individual bars of metal and they bolt them through the leg. And you can see all the hardware on the other chairs. This is the only chair in this style on the market where there's no exposed hardware on the leg, and that this is a solid frame. It's welded together, and it gives the chair a lot more strength than individual tubes. That was the selling point for me, and they were super affordable. So we grabbed them, and I mean, so far, we haven't really used them yet, but so far they're looking really good. I can already see dirt on the edge, just from touching it, rubbing stuff on it. The dirty box. So I have a feeling that this white will get dirty easily, but since it's plastic, it should also clean easy. We'll have to try it out for a while. There were some other colors. I just was afraid of getting the wrong color that we didn't like. I think there was a green, a blue, was it like a pink color? I don't know. A few different colors. Yellow. I actually like the yellow too. But so here's the leg, and you can see it has these threaded inserts. And here's the cage. And like I said, all the other brands, I think it was like individual metal that bolted through the leg. And this one is made to go on the inside like this. So there it is. You just put the leg on there like that. Bolted in two bolts. Comes with the Allen wrench, comes with all the hardware. Pretty simple. And now, I'm going to put the website in our description of where we found these. Because I do think they're pretty cool. We're not sponsored, but if you guys want to check it out, we'll put it there for you. That is so cool. What a unique assembly system. I like this. Some of the screws are a little tight to get in, a little snug. They might be just a little crooked, or the machining might be a little off on the threaded inserts, but they still go in, and they still feel really solid. So there's the base assembled, and you can see it kind of makes its own stable base, so I like that. That's cool. Comes with these rubber covers that you put on the bottom here. Just set it on. Trying to do this so you guys can see. So there it is, our 4 new kitchen chairs. It's actually really hard to believe that these 4 chairs fit in this box. Yeah, super happy with them. I think they look awesome in the kitchen. They actually fit really well. It's weird because I've seen these chairs and I ignored them. I didn't really like them when I first saw them. But after you guys suggested them, I looked at them again and I kind of just fell in love with them. I said, yeah, this is kind of cool. So
I feel like they were the perfect chair for this.
Yeah, just needed a new look at it. So what do you guys think? Do the chairs look good? Do you like them? I think they're cool. And we can finally eat at our new table. So we just wanted to take you guys along as we put together our new chairs. Pretty excited to share them with you. I'm happy with them. I think they're cool. They're comfortable. Feel pretty sturdy. So good choice. Hopefully they hold up.
I feel like they will.
Yeah.
Better than the wooden chairs we've always had.
Yeah. There's nothing, we can't stand wobbly wooden chairs.
And the dowels are always coming apart. And you've had one like completely fall apart under you. Yeah. So this is one more job done. One step closer to a complete kitchen. We'll be eating in here and enjoying it. It's going to be so cool. And we are cooking in here. I have the stovetop hooked up and it's working good. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And we'll be back soon with a new video. So until next time, take care. Bye.